Amazing day. I pulled up here at the mess. I passed this dude. He was waving at everybody. I went over here and went to running this machine. Then I looked over at Jason's where I rent that place and the door was open. So I called my rental guy. He said, no, nobody supposed to be over there. And when I walked in there, here sat that guy that was waving at me. He had the TV remote in his hand. No shit. You know, used to, I would just beat the living hell out of them. I'd go crazy, ape shit, break their arms, do whatever. And then every time I got done, they'd take me to jail. And after what happened in May of last year, and all that bullshit, I finally got a little wiser. I just turned around and called the law. Let them handle it. You shouldn't be in people's property. It's wrong. And when I told the law, they said, well, what happened? So I'm tired of going to jail. They said, well, hell, you could have beat him up. And at that moment, you know what? I was glad I didn't. It just fucking wasn't worth it no more. You know what I mean? Dude was strung out. I told him, I said, you better haul ass, and he did. He didn't break nothing or tear nothing up. Actually, he had the place looking clean. But, fuck it, man. Put your hands on me, I'm going to hurt you. But if not, I'm going to let somebody else handle it. Because I'm going to go on living my life. You know, being happy, talking to people, hammering on shit. 75 Hard, Arte Syndicate, Hustler University, digging, playing in trash, talking about getting clean, staying clean, working out, living the dream, taking care of mom and daddy. Because there ain't no dude, man, that's strung out worth losing all that. I learned that in May. God bless you. Fluent English. I'll send this picture to you. Be blessed today.